Hello everybody, this is Ian Lamont from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to freeze the top row in Google Sheets. If this video helps, please take a moment to follow the channel, like the video, check out the links in the description, and let's go to Google Sheets. This works whether you're using a Windows machine, a Mac, or a Chromebook, although Google does recommend using the Google Chrome browser. So I have this sheet with a lot of data in it. You can see it's scrolling down. I want to freeze the top row here, so when I scroll down, I can still see the title headers. Very easy. Select the top row just by clicking the number 1, the very far left there, and then go to View, Freeze, one row. You can see like a little border shows up below the top row there, and then when I'm scrolling down using my mouse, you can see that the titles, the headers, stay visible. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Slides, I've written a book about it, available from in30minutes.com. There's a link in the description. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube, and thank you so much for watching.